Yo, what's going on everybody on YouTube, man? So today we got an unboxing for you guys. This sneaker right here, I honestly was going to pass on the entire release. And I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and grab these things now before it's too late, before that resale rise, before they even sell out. The resale isn't going too crazy, but I say, you know what? I don't want to regret it later down the line. And we go ahead and unbox these things for you guys. Not a grill or anything like that. Just something that I felt like, had to sit back and say, yo, do I really want these shoes? And I went ahead and pulled the trigger. So go ahead and unbox these things. Let's tap into today's video, man. Hey, thanks to everybody that tapped into today's video right now. If you're new, sub up, hit that like button, and hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any content that we drop. Today, we got the Nike SB Air Jordan 4 exclusive access drop. I dropped the video yesterday, putting you guys on, and I also put that information over on Twitter. So that's why I always tell you guys, hit the notification bell on YouTube and go follow me on Twitter, which is always linked down below in the description box, man. All right, guys, so now we have the package. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. We're gonna talk and unbox at the same time. For all the people that say, yo, get to the sneakers, we getting straight to it, you feel me? But like I said early in the video, early in the intro, go ahead and sub up right now to the channel, you know what I'm saying, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the content that we dropping, man. I got a couple of early looks that I'm thinking about grabbing for you guys. Give you guys a little bit of, a little early taste, a little early look. You guys have been liking that. You've been rocking out with it. So, I might, go ahead and spend that bread to get early pair of kicks or two, or early pair of two for the Vintage Squad, man. So these right here, like I said, I had to go back and get them. I honestly was going to say, you know what? I'm going to pass on them. I said, I don't need them. I've been really selective what I've been copping this year. And yeah, I said, you know what? Fuck it, let's go ahead and pull that trigger. So let's go ahead and get into it. Once you see the box, you're going to know exactly what's in here, and we're gonna break it down, talk about it, and what I honestly think about this sneaker right here. So you guys see it, man. You see it. You see what's all over the box, man. You got all the A's over the box for the NOIR collab with Jordan Brand. And if you see the box right now, you know it's the most recent release, the Air Jordan 12 NOIR. It was a black pair and it was a white pair to drop, and I already have the black pair in hand. I already did the look for you guys unboxing. So yeah, I had to do it. I don't know what it was. Like, I even talked to one of the homies and said, yo, I think I'm just gonna pass on it. I had them early, that wasn't my size. And I was like, yo, I don't think that I really want to keep them. I don't think I'm ever going to wear them. But I started thinking back, like, you know what? I'm going to grab them now before I regret it later down the line. So that's why we have them in today. You guys already know how it looks. You got Jordan in, during the flu game with the Air Jordan 12 breads, or the flu game Air Jordan 12s. And then you got the NOIR paper. And now we have them. I already had these before. That's why I'm not overly excited about them, because they did actually have them in the size 11, which is a 9.5 in men. You guys know I wear a size 8.5 and a 9, and now we have them in my size. And I was thinking, I honestly might keep these things. I honestly might get some good fits out of them. But initially, I felt like I had them a little early, so I was like, damn, do I really want to, spend that bread on them? Don't want to get my size. And you guys see them. We have them in hand right now, the Air Jordan 12 NOIRs. But not only do we have the white pair, man, like I said recently, last week we unboxed the Air Jordan 12 black NOIRs, which I think are very close to being, the best ones of them ever dropping. We got the 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, and now we have the Air Jordan 12s, and we're going to be getting a pair of Air Jordan 5 NOIRs later this year, man. So right now, down below in the comment section, let me know which one you're rocking out with more. We got the black over here, which I think are way better than most people thought they would be. Like, we see pictures, and even we see them in hand, and especially with resale value, people try to knock a sneaker. And I don't really care about the resale value. I just only care about it when I, regret not copping the sneaker when it was as low as it is. So that's why I did not want to happen with the white pair of the NOIRs. A lot of people say the black pair better. They gave me their reasons. A lot of people still saying that the white pair is the best, but like I said, actually having them both in hand, it's closer than you think. Like, the white pair is not a no-brainer, the best, Air Jordan 12 NOIR. It's a lot closer than I expected, and both of these things are just quite beautiful, man. Like, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. You got the hang tag, the white one over here with NOIR, and on the black pair, you get like a more predominantly burgundy one with the black I'm on my year logos going down. And another thing that kind of, you know, pushed me away from copping both of them is that I didn't even know what I was going to wear with the black pair. So that's why I was like, you know what, I got to make this decision. I got to figure out what I'm going to do, what I'm going to waste my money on. And I ultimately decided to go back and cop the white pair. If you guys do not know, this pair was sitting on I'm on my year's website, and it was even sitting on this. Did it even drop on sneakers? I'm not too sure, but I know I'm on my year's website. These things was sitting for a while. I did not hit on the draw for the white pair, but I did hit on the draw for the black. And I said, you know what? If my size 9 is still sitting on I'm on my year website, then I came up with this conclusion that I was gonna cop them. I said, I'm going to grab them. I'm going to add them to the collection. And this is definitely one of them things, you know what I'm saying, I can have in the collection, go back and check out, you know what I'm saying, seeing what, you know, what dope sneakers that have came out in the past. And I know I'm going to look at the Air Jordan 12 I'm on my years to be one of those, you know, things you pull out later down the line like, yo, these things is actually fire. I don't know if you guys peep, but if you check any of the resale value for the Air Jordan 12 I'm on my years, the white or the black pair, both of them are going for under retail in most sizes, which is crazy. I would never thought I'm on my year would be going for under retail, and the white pair and the black pair in most sizes are going for that, you know what I'm saying, under retail tag. So if you want to grab them, I would highly suggest you grab them now before all the pairs start selling out, you know what I'm saying, the demand gets higher. And when the actual resale market starts to build back up, you know what I'm saying, these pairs right here, the white and the black pair, or any of the I'm on my years, will be going for a lot more money than what they're going for right now. So you guys let me know down below in the comment section if you grabbed the Air Jordan 12 I'm on my years in the collection, the white pair or the black pair. And please let me know which one you're rocking out with more, the white or the black. Me, like I said, it is a lot closer than I thought, because the black pair is very crispy. Like, they really slept on. And now that, you know, we got the white pair, now we see that the white pair is being highly slept on. But prior to the drop, these things was going for a crazy amount of money. And they start seeing that, you know, it's actually more pairs than we thought. And our resale start dropping. But do not take that away from how dope the sneakers actually are, man. Please. I appreciate everybody for tuning in, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos that we drop on the channel, especially for the shock drop information, exclusive access, all that good stuff. I got y'all on the channel, and go tap into the Twitter, which is linked down below. We about to sum it up with this quick little on feet. I haven't tried on any of these I'm on my year 12s yet, so go ahead and throw the white pair on, see what they're hitting for on feet. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's go ahead and get straight into it, man. Peace.